Okay, hello everyone. These are going to be the pieces in your kit. You're going to get some red roving, an empty ornament for your Remembrall, and a piece of ribbon. So basically we're going to take the top off, then we're going to take bits of the roving, put it inside. You can use a paintbrush, a pencil, whatever you have on hand, to make the roving look like little wisps of smoke. And we'll go ahead, fill the ornament, we'll go ahead and put the lid back on. Take your string. You can always swap it out for a string you have at home. Use your house colors. Tie a little loop, and now your Remembrall is ready.